This is OP Center in Lempäälä. And then boys. Pirkanmaa, Finland. Beautiful place from the 1980s. 6 persons of 480 kilograms. Kone. Let's ride this one. Very nice elevator built in 1987. 64784. 6 person 480 kilograms, only with 3 floors. You can try to ride it two times.
Yeah.
This is the basement contraction. I thought it would be hydraulic. Nice smell.
Yeah.
Very beautiful elevator.
Yeah.
With brass panels. Or golden brass.
Yeah.
And wooden walls. That's a brass handrail. This must have been quite expensive.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva inspected, maintained by Kone.
Yeah, it's going to be inspected next time in 2020, the next year. Okay, press. This elevator turned 30 years old in 2017.
Yeah.
I'd like to take pictures of this one, it's so beautiful. You can hear the old fan sounds from here.
That's